Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. I write the Grow Book and Equipment Guide. And if you want to know what the best products for rooting and growing your cuttings and clones are, all you have to do is keep watching this video. But if you want to see the proof of what I'm about to show you, then you need to click the link or watch The Great Root Race, a 5-part series where we actually mix and use the biggest root boosting products you see on the shelves of your local hydro store. That way we can see once and for all what really blows your roots up.
Okay, this is episode 1, week 1, day 1 of the Great Root Race. And as you can see, it was specifically designed to test all the root boosting products that you see on the shelves of your local hydro store. And we did that by starting 12 trays of 50 basil seeds and Root Riot starter plugs, and then carefully watering and recording everything that happened and reporting on it to show you. And this is week 2, episode 2, day 14. And this was technically their first feeding. And just look at tray 10. You can already see they're bigger than the control tray. Then, in episode 3, week 3, day 21, we fed them for the second time. And this is really where you can start to see how the green pad tray gets bigger than the tray that didn't get CO2. Just check that out. And check out those roots. And we're just getting started. Okay, this is episode 4, week 4, day 28. And it's clearly obvious that by now the CO2 tray with the Green Pad Junior in it, the starts are way bigger than the control tray, and the roots are too. Check that out. Okay, it's finally episode 5, week 5, day 35 of the Great Root Race. And remember, we haven't fed for a week now. And it's been 35 days that these basil starts have been trapped in these Root Riot starter plugs. And when we take a look at the roots at the end of 35 weeks, holy cow, right? Look at all those roots on the green pad tray. And then when we compare that to the roots on the control tray, tray 1, we can see they don't look anything alike. And remember, in the photosynthesis equation, light, water, and CO2 equals sugar and oxygen. And here in the Great Root Race, CO2 was probably the individual winner of all the products that we tested. I can't think of another product that produced more roots for starts than CO2. And that's why you should always add CO2 to your starts. They'll blow your roots up. Check those out. Because whether you believe growing is about the nutrients or the lights or your friend's secret sauce, I think we can all agree that plants with roots like these will outgrow plants with roots like these every day of the week, veg or flower.
And if you want to find the closest hydro store that sells Green Pad Juniors, Green Pad CO2 pads, and the Green Pad Granddaddy pads, or you want more information about my book, The Grow Book and Equipment Guide, just click the link in the video or visit thegrowboss.com. And remember, Green Pad CO2 really blows your shit up.